Today, we are very happy to bring you our KK series of auto vacuum cleaners to you here. What's the concept of auto vacuum cleaners? This may be the first question from you to us. In fact, it's a very understandable smart idea. It's born based on traditional common household vacuum cleaners, but combined with an intelligent program to realize people's desire of cleaning automatically so long ago. Completely by machines, not by men, and it makes modern people enjoy a life of ease. To be saved from day-to-day tired swiping work, we are very much delighted to call it CleanStar. It takes people to an intellectualized clean time. Now get to know its enchantment. As a robot cleaning tool, it's suited for various kinds of floors, such as different styles of wool carpet, hardwood, ceramic tile, as well as man-made plastic floors. Not only for inside rooms, but also for outside balcony. It's convenient indeed. Never worried about the power-save problems of cleaners. 5 times recharging, only 1 kilowatt charge, and it would clean maintaining 2 hours every recharge. The working noise less than 50 dB will keep you much away from uncomfortable feel. ABS fireproof material and insulated metal sheets slatted of unit and self-recharge base and all our safety care for you. In addition, once the auto vacuum cleaner was dark, it would power off in 2 minutes to protect the self-security when no one at home. KK series of auto vacuum cleaners generally divided into 2 types. One is manual recharge style and the other is automatic recharge style. And this time is the time for us to use it. The first step, to make the cleaner upside down and open the battery cover. To install the environmental NIMH battery, meanwhile, your attention to the battery direction to insert into battery slot right. And for the remote control, insulated film must be taken out before use. The second step, to connect the charger with cleaner and then plug in. 8 hours is much essential to fully activate the rechargeable battery to keep a good battery life and cleaner function. Please kindly note, no matter its manual recharge style or automatic recharge style, the first time for battery activity is same. Thirdly, the automatic recharge style is some different with manual one. You should connect the charger with the self-recharge base first, and then plug in. And don't forget, the most important thing to press the go button and to open LED indicator to cruise cleaner back to self-recharge base. The third step, to put the auto vacuum cleaner at a space place in the room, then to press key of power and start on the cover of control panel to make the cleaner sweep automatically. The fourth step, the auto vacuum cleaner will cruise back to self-recharge base to recharge when the battery is low and the power is full for cleaner to continue the rest sweeping work. How does a cleaner sweep by itself? Auto vacuum cleaner with 5 auto working trills. It will sweep the room according to this 5-trill procedure, one by one, to fully finish the whole room clean task. Every working time is within 18 minutes. For choices according to room area, you could also operate the remote control to select the individual trill to meet your special needs. So, what are the common problems you will worry about when using the auto vacuum cleaners? Look, you've got this magic power of this lovely clean style. You see steps, tables, obstacles, these are not a problem. We believe you will love it.